Ex- Our next topic is the windowing and clipping. So basically, the windowing and the clipping concept is related to the computer graphics here. So if we have to identify the visible part of the picture for the inclusion in which the display image. So this selection process is not slight forward. So we can consider the certain line may lie partially inside the visible portion of the picture and partially outside the parameter. So basically, this line cannot be omitted entirely from the display image because the image would become inaccurate. So we can consider the only visible part of that particular image. So the process of selecting and viewing the pictures with a different viewport, which is called as a windowing. Okay, so there is the different view through which we want to select and we want to view the particular picture in the different view. So this is called as a windowing process. Next one is the process which divide each element of the picture in visible and invisible portions. Okay, आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही जर विंडो कन्सिडर केली होम विंडो, सो होम विंडो मध्ये पूर्ण picture which is outside your room or which is inside or your room is not visible to the particular person. So we can consider the windowing portion which is visible to that particular person. आता जी प्रोसेस असते तुमची विजिबल आणि इनविजिबल पार्ट सिलेक्ट करण्याचे विच इज कॉल्ड एज अ पर्टिक्युलर क्लिपिंग. So whenever we want to capture the image which is visible from your window and remaining part is discarded which is not visible from your window, so this process called as a clipping process because we can discard the invisible portion and only capture the visible part and display on the screen. So this process considered as a clipping process. So the capability that shows some part of the object internal a specific window is called as a windowing, and the rectangular region in the window coordinate system which is called as a window. Okay, आता जर तुम्ही एक विंडो कन्सिडर केली, सपोज द विंडो इज अवेलेबल इन युअर रूम, सो तो जो रेक्टँग्युलर रिजन येतो ज्याच्या थ्रू आपण काय करणार आहे, विजिबल आणि इनविजिबल पार्ट आयडेंटिफाय करणार आहे. So this portion called as a window, and the points and the lines which are outside the window, that part is cut off or discarded which is not visible. So this process of cutting off the particular invisible part of your picture, the process called as a clipping. So method of selecting and enlarging the portion of drawing which is called as a windowing process, in which the area chosen from the display which is called as a window means कोणता एरिया आपण सिलेक्ट करणार आहे फॉर सिलेक्टिंग द visible part of your picture which is called as a window here. So this is the basic figure through which we want to consider the particular concept. So this is your window. If we आता जर तुम्ही विंडोच्या जवळ गेला तर तुम्हाला आउटसाइड सगळा पार्ट काय होतो, विजिबल होतो. जसं जसं विंडो पासून तुम्ही दूर जाताय तसं तसं पोर्शन काय होणार आहे तुमचा, सम पार्ट आर इनविजिबल, सम पार्ट आर विजिबल. सो जेवढं तुम्ही ती विंडो झूम इन झूम आउट कराल त्याच्यानुसार तुमचा पार्ट काय होणार आहे, डिफरंट पार्ट विजिबल आणि इनविजिबल होणार आहे. सो बेसिकली if to generate a variety of different view of an angle picture, we can generate a different view of the picture by applying the appropriate scaling and translation. आता आपण जसं जसं स्केल आउट आणि स्केल इन करू तसं तसं विंडोचं काय होणार आहे, अपीअरन्स चेंज होणार आहे टू डिस्प्ले दी टू कॅप्चर दी पिक्चर. आता जर फर्स्ट इमेज कन्सिडर केली तर तिथे काय होते, पूर्ण इमेज काय होते, कॅप्चर होते बिकॉज ती इमेज तुम्ही काय केली, स्मॉल पार्ट मध्ये किंवा स्मॉल साईज मध्ये डिस्प्ले केली. If we increase the size of your object, some part is not visible to the user. So this selection process is not straightforward. The certain lines that lie partially inside of the window which is visible portion and which is partially outside which is invisible portion. So this line cannot be omitted entirely because if we remove the entire line then the accuracy of picture are not maintained. So we only cut off that particular part which is not visible to the user, or we can discard that part. So this is the windowing and clipping process. So there is a next concept is the window word coordinate system. So basically we know that the picture is stored into the computer memory, which is in the form of binary information for the convenient use for the displaying purpose. Okay, जी इन्फॉर्मेशन तुमची कम्प्युटर सिस्टीम मध्ये स्टोर होते ती कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये असते? बायनरी फॉर्म मध्ये असते. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय बायनरी फॉर्मॅट? We can store the information in terms of zeros and ones. Okay, मग त्या 0 आणि 1 च्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये ती स्टोर होते फॉर दी एनी कन्व्हिनियंट यूज फॉर दी डिस्प्लेइंग पर्पज. सो that coordinate system which referred or called as a world coordinate system in the windowing clipping concept. So when the picture is displayed on the display devices, it is measured by the physical devices coordinate system which is corresponding to the display devices. So ह्या दोन different concept आहे. First one is a world coordinate system, ज्या फॉर्मॅट मध्ये तुमची इमेजचे कोऑर्डिनेट्स सेव्ह होता इन युअर कम्प्युटर मेमरी, विच इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ल्ड कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम. बट whenever we can display that coordinates on your screen, they map into the physical device coordinate system which is corresponding to that particular display devices. Okay, so next concept is the window and viewport. So basically the world coordinate system is infinite in extent and the device display are the finite. Okay, आता जी वर्ल्ड कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टीम असते स्टोर करताना तुम्ही कोणत्या पण इनफायनाइट नंबर मध्ये काय करू शकता? सेव्ह करू शकतात. बट जे डिस्प्ले डिव्हाइस आहे तुमचा, तर त्याचा जो एरिया आहे फॉर द डिस्प्लेइंग पर्पज, इट इज अ फायनाइट नंबर ऑफ coordinate system. So to perform the viewing transformation, we can select a finite world coordinate area for the display, which is called as a window. Okay, suppose तुम्ही ग्राफिक स्क्रीन घेतली, आता ही जी तुमची विंडोची स्क्रीन अवेलेबल आहे. ओके, ही विंडो स्क्रीन काय, विच हॅव्हिंग द फायनाइट नंबर कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टीम. तिथे एक स्पेसिफिक टर्म पर्यंतच तुमचे काय होणार आहे? पॉइंट्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स डिस्प्ले होणार आहे. So whenever we want to display some image which having the infinite number, we can convert into the finite number. So a finite word coordinate area which is called as a window, which having the finite set of the coordinates. Next one is the viewport. So area on a device to which a window is mapped. ज्या डिव्हाइस वरती तुम्ही विंडो मॅप करताय तो तुमचा काय झाला? व्ह्यूपोर्ट झाला. मीन्स द एरिया ऑन युअर डिव्हाइस टू विच अ विंडो इज मॅप्ड, विच इज कॉल्ड एज अ व्ह्यूपोर्ट. So following figure shows the window and viewport parameter. Okay, so window defines what is to be viewed and the viewport defines where it is to be displayed. Okay, आता विंडो मध्ये काय होतं, तुम्ही काय बघू शकता हे सगळं तिथे काय असणार आहे? कन्सिडरेबल आहे. पण व्हॉट इज मीन बाय व्ह्यूपोर्ट? द व्ह्यूपोर्ट डिफाइन्स वेअर इट इज टू बी डिस्प्ले. जे तुम्ही विंडो मध्ये कॅप्चर करताय त्या व्ह्यूपोर्ट मध्ये तुम्हाला काय करायचंय? डिस्प्ले करायचंय, प्लॉट करायचंय. सो हियर द वर्ल्ड कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टीम, we can consider this is your window. When we consider the window image, we can capture the visible part which is inside your window. आणि हा पार्ट काय झाला? which is not inside your window. So we can discard that part and only consider the visible portion of your window, and we can display that view particular image or the particular picture on the area which is called as a viewport, which is considered as a device coordinate system. So this is the concept of windowing clipping. In that we can discuss what is mean by world coordinate system, what is mean by physical device coordinate system, and next one is the window and definition of viewport. So this is the basic layout of the windowing and clipping. So there is a n number of different categories of windowing and clipping is here, in which we have to uh, consider the transformation from window to viewport, how to convert the window coordinate to the viewport coordinate, means world coordinate system to device coordinate system. So there is a process through which we have to consider that transformation. So basically the world coordinate system to the device coordinate system, which is window to viewport transformation. So basically the picture is stored into the computer memory using the word coordinate system. So when the picture is displayed on the display device, it is measured with the physical device coordinate system. So we can convert that word coordinate system into the physical coordinate system for the displaying purpose. Therefore, we can consider the displaying an image of a picture which involves the mapping of coordinates of the point and the line that from the picture into the appropriate physical coordinate system, where the image is to be a display. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, हे जे वर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टीम आहे जे रिलेटेड आहे विंडोशी, we can convert into the physical device coordinate system for display the particular image which is visible inside the window. So this mapping of the coordinate which is achieved with the help of coordinate transformation. Okay, so this transformation which is called as a window to viewport transformation or WIM transformation. So this is the basic concept of window to viewport transformation. So there is a n number of steps is here. First one is the determine word coordinate system using modeling coordinate transformation. Then we can get the word coordinate here. So convert that word coordinate to wing coordinates. After that, we can get the view coordinates. So we can normalize that coordinate is here. After that, we can get a normalized view coordinates. Then we can apply the normal, convert that normal viewing coordinate to the device coordinate. So with the help of this process, we can get the word coordinate to physical device coordinate system. So sometimes the two-dimensional viewing transformation is simply referred to a window to viewport transformation or windowing transformation is here. So viewing transformation which maps the picture coordinate into the viewing coordinates is mapped to the picture coordinate system into the word coordinate system to display the coordinate in the physical device coordinate. So it performs the n number of steps. First one is the convert the word coordinate to view coordinate. Then we can get the normal view coordinate here. After that, we can normalize that view coordinates and again convert into the physical coordinate system. So this is the basic process for window to viewport conversion. In that, the word coordinate system is the infinite in extent and the device display area is the finite. So to perform this transformation, we can select the finite word coordinate area for display the picture, which is called as a window, and that's device to which the window is mapped, which is called as a viewport. So this is the basic layout of the window to viewport transformation. Form in window to viewport transformation in details. So first step is construct a screen in the word coordinate using the output primitives and the attributes. Mean first we need to be a consider the window or the scene in the window or the word coordinate. So here we can consider using the output primitives and the attributes. Second one, obtain the particular orientation for the window by selecting the two-dimensional view coordinate system in the word coordinate plane and define the window in which the view coordinate system is displayed. Third step, using this viewing coordinate reference frame which provides a method for setting up the attribute orientation for the rectangle window. Means after that we need to be consider the viewing coordinate which is referred as a frame. आता frame कशासाठी consider होते as a window. So we can define the rectangular window for display purpose. Once we can consider the viewing reference frame are established, after that we transfer the description in the coordinate to view coordinate. Means after that we can convert the window coordinate to view coordinate, means viewport coordinate system. So define the viewport in the normalization process. After getting the viewport coordinates, we can apply the normalization process here, and after normalization we can clip all the part of the picture which is outside the window. Okay, for example, if we consider the sample example is here. If we consider this is window, ही एक विंडो आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये एक इमेज डिस्प्ले केली आहे मी ही. ओके, सो दिस इज युअर रेक्टँगल एरिया ज्याच्यामध्ये हा जो पार्ट आहे तो काय व्हिजिबल आहे विच इज इनसाइड द विंडो, आणि हा रिमेनिंग पार्ट काय होतोय विच इज आउटसाइड द विंडो. तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, ज्या सिस्टीम मध्ये स्टोअर असणारी वर्ड कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टीम आहे ती कन्वर्ट करायची व्यू कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टीम मध्ये. देन इट्स नॉर्मलायझिंग मेथड इज अप्लाय ऑन दॅट viewport coordinate system. After that we can get the physical display device coordinate. More with the help of this we only get the inner part of that window because we can discard the invisible portion of the image which is not inside the window. So we only get the inner part of that image. म्हणजे ही काय झाली तुमची क्लिपिंग प्रोसेस झाली. ओके, दिस इज युअर विंडो टू व्ह्यूपोर्ट ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन.